Hello, welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is a reminder for the intermediate class at the Kenn Centre on June the 28th. We did an arm drive change places, a basket pullback, a Manhattan basic, and a double comb chest press. If you need more detail than this quick run through, then there are links in the description below where you'll get a detailed teach on each of the moves. This is just to remind you how everything went together. So we started off with the arm drive change places, where we went man's left, ladies right, and it went 7 and 8. We went back, around and look, around, now went straight to the basket where we went wrap, backwards, forwards, backwards, Manhattan basic, we came in, forwards, back, turn and forwards, a back, turn and forwards, finished the first move off. Then we were around for two hands for the double comb chest press where we combed a 1, 2, in and out, and that one is easier when you don't have one of these round your ears in the way. That last one, if you find it tricky, try doing it slower, and then over time you'll be able to speed it up. Okay, like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.